A narrow street, tail tucked, pure panic. Behind it, 3 elephants thunder forward. It's over in seconds, but it feels like a scene from a movie. Snow falls gently as a deer approaches the window. Inside, a warm glow spills from the kitchen. A kind grandma leans forward. The grandma offers food and the deer accepts it with deliberate grace. She reaches out, gently stroking its head. Panic in the kitchen. A small Komodo dragon scrambles. It's not supposed to be here, but here it is.
Bushy, bye. Bushy, go. I'm afraid I'm going to have to eject you if you carry on like this.
It's wild instinct trapped in a domestic maze, and it wants out. Tension crackles in the air. A mountain lion stands in the middle of a living room, muscles taut, eyes locked on the person recording. The person backs up. The lion holds its ground. It's a standoff between instinct and intrusion. No one wins. Not yet. The clip ends with the mountain lion still staring, still hissing, still daring anyone to come closer. In the middle of rush hour, an ostrich stands frozen, tall, bewildered, and completely out of place. People pass by like it's normal. The ostrich takes a cautious step, then stops again, its long legs awkward against the pavement. No one knows how it got there. No one knows where it's going. A massive Komodo dragon clings to the edge of a backyard pool, tongue flicking, eyes darting. Behind it, someone records, inching closer. It dives in, powerful limbs propelling it through the water. Inside a quiet men's restroom, a hungry deer stands awkwardly between the sinks and stalls. The deer chews slowly, confused but committed. And somehow, it's happening in a restroom. A kangaroo appears, just beyond the lunch tables. Tall. Still. Watching. Then, just as suddenly as it arrived, it turns. No panic. No drama. Just a quiet exit, hopping away with calm indifference. But for a moment, lunch was shared with something wild. A man bursts out of the store, eyes wide, sprinting like his life depends on it. An angry bull barrels through the glass doors, shattering them like paper. It's not a robbery. It's not a prank. It's a full-blown stampede in aisle 3. A young kangaroo hops through the bar, light-footed. Then comes the sibling. Smaller, wobblier, and determined. The camera tilts upward. There, nestled in the branches, a mountain lion. No victor. Just 2 lives suspended in a moment of primal respect.
Right over here, come here. You can't shoot it, huh? No. What do you do?
A massive family of pigs floods the road, dozens deep, snouts down, tails curled, moving with casual confidence. Big ones, small ones, even tiny piglets trotting to keep up. It's not a rush. It's a procession. A pride of lions surrounds the truck. Inside, Tension builds. They came for the safari. They got a survival story. Floodwaters surge through the city. Amid the chaos, a crocodile appears. People gather, unsure, uneasy. Then someone throws a cloth over its head, an old trick to calm the beast. A man steps forward. Carefully he sits on its back, legs straddling the armored spine. In the middle of the road, a long snake slithers with eerie grace. It's not a threat. It's not a spectacle. It's just nature reclaiming a moment in the middle of the city. Glass shatters, sudden, violent. A deer bursts through the front window with hooves skidding across the showroom floor. One moment of instinct. One crash. And a showroom turned stampede. Under the cover of night, a bear peeps through the window, silent. Snacks. Trash. Mystery. The bear doesn't care. It's on a mission. A midnight visit. Uninvited. Unforgettable. In the snowy yard, silence returns. Lesson learned. Nature doesn't always back down. White goats with long horns are seen scattered across the city. Some stand still in driveways, others wander slowly through open roads. A few gather beneath trees, resting in the shade like they've been there all day. They move in small groups, sometimes alone, sometimes in clusters. No fences. No herders. Just goats, everywhere. A woman stands by her backyard grill, sheltered beneath a large umbrella as rain falls gently around her. A bear darts across the grass, cutting through the yard in a blur and disappearing into the bushes. A tiger moves quietly through the woods. It approaches a house, small, tucked between trees. The tiger pauses near the edge of the yard. Its eyes scan the porch, the windows, the door. Then, a light comes on outside. But the tiger doesn't react. Something's off. A seal is lying beside the driver's door. Curled up. Fast asleep. Its body pressed gently against the frame. The seal doesn't move. Just breathes slowly, eyes shut, completely relaxed. Footage captures a steady stream of deer, hundreds of them, crossing the road. They move in waves, hooves tapping against pavement, heads low, eyes alert. It's not a stampede. It's a migration. Calm. Intentional. And impossible to ignore. baby gator appears from the edge of the frame. Its tail drags lightly behind as it walks across the concrete. The gator slips out of view. The driveway is empty again. But something wild just passed through. A lone deer wanders through the street. It pauses near a parked car. Then it spins around and charges. The deer stands, breathing heavy. Then the deer turns and carries along. Footage shows a mountain lion inside a house. It moves slowly through the living room, silent and alert. The big cat glides past the couch, eye scanning the space. Upstairs, the camera stays still, not daring to move. A Komodo dragon climbs the porch. They rush inside, door closed shut. Inside, they watch through the glass. It stares, unblinking, massive. Then, it turns its back to step away from the door. The door opens slightly, enough to see it leave. A polar bear wanders through the snow-covered construction site. Below a staircase, a worker watches. The worker bolts up the stairs. The bear just watches, calm, unbothered. A man opens his door and outside the glass, a pride of lions lies resting. Their bodies stretch across the patio, calm and still. Golden eyes stare back. Then, he makes a sound. The lions rise, one by one. The patio is empty again. But the silence remains. A crowd gathers, watching in disbelief. A sea lion rests atop a black car, its weight pressing into the roof, unmoved by the attention. One man steps forward. He tosses food onto the ground. The sea lion shifts. He throws another piece, leading it slowly toward the dock. Step by step, the sea lion follows. Later, the car remains. Its roof dented, leaving a quiet reminder of the visit. A Komodo dragon enters. She doesn't move, too slow, too fragile. The dragon doesn't touch her. It just moves around, sniffing, searching, silent. And the moment stretches. Unbroken. Unspoken.